Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, I hope. I know a lot of people have already done their Lucky Bag unboxings, but I figured I'd do a twist on mine. I would do an unboxing and a review because I've tried every single product in my box at least once, with the exception of one thing, and then another thing that I already had that I didn't want to open. But I have it, so I'll tell you about it when I get to that one as well. So, are you ready? This is my Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you don't know what it is, it's like a mystery bag.
I didn't understand that.
No, Bixby, nobody asked you. Shut up, Bixby. My Bixby is so crazy on my phone. Anyway, back to the video at hand. Bixby all up in our business. This is my box. I got the extra large box this year, which was $150 for over 300 something dollars of products. I just wanted to kind of see what the extra large box looked like in person, because a lot of people got them the year before last and they had really lucky ones and they were gorgeous. They had great stuff and they had like the huge Natasha Denona palettes in them. They had a bunch of stuff in them and I was so excited. However, my box wasn't a lucky box this year. It was just like a regular mystery bag box, and I got a couple things. I got one thing I already had. One thing that was actually on my wish list that I was really excited to see in there because it was on my wish list. It was actually in my cart, and then I took it out of my cart when I got replaced my Beautylish order last week because it was in my cart. And I got it not for free, but I got it with my Lucky Bag. So the Lucky Bag is a mystery subscription thing. You sign up on the email list and they send it out probably December 26th, 27th of every year. And then you can buy one either for $75 for a regular size one, which comes with some really good stuff for a lot of things. I've been getting the regular ones so far the last couple years. And I really like the regular ones a lot. And I'm probably just waiting to get a regular one this coming year as well. But I wanted to try the XL one at least once. At least once. So I did. But I'm probably just going to get a regular one this coming year. Ooh, get a little parched. Anyway, on to what I got in mind. The first thing I got in mind, which I have not opened or used, so we'll go ahead and bypass this, is the Orbe Dry Styling Set. It is worth like $100. It's like worth $98. It comes with the dry texturizing spray and the Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. This is something you guys will probably see in a giveaway later on my channel if I don't find somebody who really wants it or something. Or I may go on one of the Beautylish Lucky Bag trade sites if somebody wants to trade something for it. Because people do trade their things when they don't like them or they already have them. So we shall see. I do use dry shampoo when my hair is in braids like this on like my scalp portion. Not now in the winter because my scalp is dry already. But in the summer for sure when I have individual braids or crochet braids or anything like that, I do use dry shampoo. But I don't use the texturizing spray. I have no... I don't know what to do with that part, but I may try it. Not the texturizing, but the dry shampoo, because they're very expensive, and I hear that Orbe is really good. The next thing that I got that I didn't open was this brand new Natasha Denona Safari palette, because I already own it. And I've had this on my channel before and told you guys my thoughts on it, but I'll share them with you again. This one will, like I said, also find maybe a good home. I will let you know. But this is Natasha Denona. This is my Safari palette. And I have used every single shade in this palette multiple times. I adore it. It makes me so happy. They're all mattes. It was a perfect companion to go with my Sunset palette as well as the other palettes I have, like the Gold palette and some other. I have the Gold palette, the Mini Lila, the Sunset palette. I love the ones that I have. I love all the ones that I have so far. The Sunset palette took me a lot longer to warm up to. I really still want the Star palette. I wish that had been in my box. Beautylish, but they don't look at your order list and what you've already ordered. They just put in really good things and hope you enjoy them. For somebody else, this would have been a steal to get in their box. These are just so beautiful. Look at Shay. Look how much pigment is in these. And Tribe. Oh, I know some people said they had problems with this, kind of on the same lines of the Subculture palette, but I also love the Subculture palette, and I know how I use shadows like this. Like I specifically use them a particular way, and I love how they look on my eyes. Even when I put more than one on, I don't have any weird patchiness coming off on them. But I love this as a companion palette as well as a standalone for doing all matte looks, because I'm perfectly okay with doing it. I really like doing all matte looks sometimes in a week. So I love this palette. If I didn't already own it, I would have been thrilled to get that. But I already owned it and I love it, so it wasn't a bust to me. Okay, so next things I didn't already own, but I was like, okay. Hold up, guys. I have one more thing. I have a Wayne Goss brush in here. And I think it's on my counter because I've been using it. Let me go get it. Oh, the horses, guys. guys. I'll be right back. Boop, 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 boop. I guess I should get some interlude music for when I have to run off like that. I'm back. Okay. This is the Wayne Goss brush number 10, and I've been using it for highlighter. I think it'd be good for setting under eye powder as well, but I've just been using it to highlight the cheekbones, and I think it does a great job of that. Like, boom, boom. Look at that highlighter beaming. I didn't put any more on. It's just with the leftover on here from earlier today. Ooh. I like how it feels on the skin, though. I still people really love these. It's very, very good. Last year, I got his eyebrow brush set, and I really like that. I got that in my regular bag. They're very expensive. The brush is like $40, $30 or $40. The next thing I'm kind of sighing about, I've been wearing it for the last week or so. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Curling Mascara. And I saw it, and it's in black. It's in black. Okay, but let me tell you about it. I saw it because I know this is very expensive. And Kevyn Aucoin makes great products, let's be real. But this is the curling mascara, and I think it's like a $30 mascara. It's really thin tube, it's very sleek, very pretty packaging, but it's so wet. So wet. It's like putting water on your eyelashes. Putting water on them. And I know the formula is so wet. I'm not really a wet formula girl, so it took me a minute to get used to it. But like you have to put on the first layer, let it dry for like 5 seconds, put on the second layer, let it dry for like 5 seconds. And your lashes still look pretty normal, let's be real. It's more of a natural mascara than anything else. I don't think it gives like a lot of volume. I will say it holds pretty well. The con of this is that it's so wet that when it dries on your lashes don't feel stiff at first, but over the time throughout the day, when you're to wash your face off, I feel like I'm losing lashes. That's a no-no for me. I need my lashes. I don't have a whole lot to start with, so I need all the ones I have, okay? I need what I got. So the fact that it takes out my lashes when I take it off, even with like a cleansing balm or an oil, it still doesn't come off easily. And it doesn't say that it's waterproof on the box anywhere, but I'm thinking maybe it is, because it's definitely water resistant, guys. My eyes be really watery some days and it still held on, so that's a positive for some people. But the takeoff process of waterproof mascaras really hurts my lashes every single time. So I wouldn't buy this, but I will use it up once I pick it up off the floor. Next up, I got this Jouer Best of Nudes Lip Cream Collection. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lipsticks, 8 mini lipsticks. Ooh. They look like, why is all my stuff up? I'm not picking that stuff up. Okay, it comes with, it looks like this, and it has more lipsticks that go in it, but apparently mine want to fall out and hit the floor. Want to fall out and hit the floor. I'm just going to throw them down, and I'll tell you what the box says. The box says it came with a new shade called Naked, which was a matte cool peachy pink, Bear, which was a matte warm nude, Terra, which was a matte deep ochre, Dolce de Leche was a matte, and then 2 metallics, which was a warm peachy papaya and rosé, and then a tawny rose and a rayan, which is a gray nude. I wore this when I made sure to take it out. I wore rayan, which was a gray nude with the berry liner. It looked really cute. It looked super cute, and I liked it a lot. But it was really dry. These are really dry. Like, as soon as you put them on, they're really dry. Like, they have like a thin but moussey formula to them, and it's really kind of reminds me of Still All Day, but Still Will Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. But this is dry. Still liquid lipsticks are more comfortable. This is dry. Think Original Color Pop matte lipstick dry. Think about that. Dry. So by the time I got to work, my lips was dry. So I was confused, but I just kind of like touched them a little bit. Was like, it's super crackly today. But I kept wearing it. I didn't take it off. But at lunchtime after I ate, it was still on there, but it was dry. It started to crumble a bit on the inside of my lips, but it was because I ate salad and it had salad dressing in it. But still dry. So when I took it off, I reapplied it. I put the lip liner all over my lips, just kind of as a berry, and then I put it on, and it seemed to wear better then. but I would not just put this on my neck and lips again. So I don't know what's gonna happen with some of these products. Put that back in the box. I don't know how many of those I'm gonna keep. I have only tried that one color and one of the metallics, the papaya. I've put on but not worn out of the house. Another color, Tawny Rose maybe. But the rest, I don't know. I wouldn't pay money for a full size of those. That's what I'll say. I know it's kind of negative. I feel like I'm kind of negative today. Next up is the product that was on my wish list that I was desperately wanting to try. And it is by Terry, which is the brand called by Terry. And it is a sun design. It came in this cool velvet sleeve. And this is the pretty purple box. Very royal. This is the by Terry Sun Designer Palette in Tan and Flash Cruise #1. And I wore this. And I really like it. I like it. I may want to get another color. These blushes held up so good. I wore it on one of my really, really long days. And the blush was still there when I got home. And I was out like 12 hours. Like, I left home at 7 and I didn't get back home till 9, so I was at like 14 hours. But that blush still had like a tint on my cheek when I got home, because I mixed all 3 shades together and it was beautiful. Then I have these 3 powders over here. They're more like highlight powders than bronzers to me because of my skin tone. And I feel like they're just really good powders to kind of lift the cheek a little bit. And I thought they're beautiful mixed all together. And I really, really, really like the texture of these. They're kind of thicker but still smooth. I really like them. I am excited. This was like the most exciting thing I got in my lucky box, and I was really excited about that. The last thing I got was this Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, and it was not even released yet whenever they put it in our box, and I was so excited to see a new product. I now found out this is $12, and it was kind of just like a great little thing to start with. Look at mine. It's all the way down here. I've been using this since I got this box, and I've got it on January 24th maybe. So last 3 weeks I've been using this, and my skin is loving it. Loving it. So this was also a gem from this box. So that's my box, guys. I don't know what else to say. I unboxed it. I shared it.